Paper bag monster puppet. Materials: paper bag, construction paper, scissors to use with a grown-up's help, ruler, pencil, glue stick. Optional materials: plastic lids. Place the paper bag so that the bottom flap is at the top and facing you. Measure and cut out 2 pieces of paper to cover the paper bag flap and the majority of the paper bag body. Cut out a rectangle from red construction paper and round the end to make a tongue. Cut a long slim rectangle out of white construction paper and then cut out triangles to create a long line of connected triangles or teeth. To make the eye of the monster, use different sized lids as templates to trace and cut out a white circle, a slightly smaller pink circle, a purple half circle, and a bottle cap sized black circle or pupil. Cut out 2 tiny white circles to place inside the pupil. Cut out a black rectangle and make cuts on the long side of the rectangle about halfway in to create fringe or eyelashes. Curl the black eyelashes by wrapping the paper around a pencil. Glue the eyelashes to the purple half circle or eyelid and trim as needed. Glue all the cut circles of the eye on top of each other. Glue the purple eyelid and black eyelashes on top of the eye. Glue the previously cut purple paper onto the paper bag. When gluing the purple paper for the body of the paper bag, be sure to place the top of it under the paper bag flap. Glue the red tongue in the center top half of the paper bag, being sure to place the top under the paper bag flap. Glue the line of white teeth under the paper bag flap and trim as needed. Cut out small pink circles and glue them across the purple paper. Cut out 2 horns out of yellow construction paper and glue to the back of the top of the paper bag. Glue the eye to the middle of the paper bag flap. Now you have a paper bag monster puppet. Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media, #AppletonMuseumAtHome.